was just looking by my desk and I noticed I had this thing. Really weird looking lure. And I ended up getting this from my old job. It was stuck in the cabin, the fishing cabin, for I don't know how many years. But this thing looks pretty wacky. Just gonna see if we can get any fish on it. You know, sometimes it's the things that are not conventional that work the best. Alrighty, I only got one of these, so we're gonna flip it out there. It already was broken too, as you can see. It's ripped through, but I rigged it up as best as I could. I only got one of these. Let's make it count. Don't want to have a fish pull it off first cast. But if he does, it means that it works, right? Cast it out in the open water just to start. And I don't know how to, you know, fish this thing. It's got weird looking legs on it. I'm just kind of gonna twitch it around, see what happens with that. It's just weird looking frog. I don't know if this will imitate it pretty well. I imagine it'll work. Just gotta wait and see. And we might also have to just rig this thing and swim it right on top of the water so it actually looks like a frog. Let me try that out actually. Oh yeah, that's got some pretty gnarly tail action on it. Going side to side in a way. Oh yeah. I got a fish chasing it. See if he goes for it again. Come on, buddy. You get caught up with the bluegill. It's not really gonna bite as much, I feel like. So I guess we'll just flip it around to start. Kind of throw it by the weeds. Give it a lot of twitches. I feel like that's gonna be the killer here. Make it actually look like a frog that's dying or something like that. And there's a few bass around, but none of them look super interested. 2 of them on it. They don't look too interested. I'm gonna back up here because they might see me. They kind of looked at it for a second. Just gonna reel it right on top of these weeds here. I feel like that's gonna be a good attractant. Not interested. Let's keep her going. Just kind of slowly moving it on the top. You could see the wakes that it makes. And I feel like that's gonna attract the fish over. They're gonna see something going across that looks like a frog. And they're gonna be like, oh, you know, that looks good to eat. Why would I not bite that? And then bam, we'll get a fish. But life's never that easy. So we're gonna have to work for it. Fish just exploded over there. Probably a nice looking bass. Oh, I got a bass on it. Oh, he ate it. No way. All right, I'm gonna give him time to eat it. There we go. No, ripped it right out of his mouth. Damn it. Oh, we had one. I had a feeling, yeah, it was the way the hook was on. It would not give him a good hook set, so we might have to do an open hook. Damn, but we just had one there. He was hounding on that thing. So I was kind of just swimming along. And as I saw him chasing it, I swam it up a little bit. This kicking of the tail is just really good. Oh, there's a bass that's feeding over here. This might be perfect. Oh, he's chasing a dragonfly. Oh my God, did you see that? That was neat. I never seen that before. Jumped up for it. All right, so this might be an easy catch right here. I'm gonna try. Come on, buddy. Swim back over. Nah, there's no way. You gotta try and eat this. Bugs on my face. Come on, guys. I'm trying to catch a fish here, buddy. Yeah, that's crazy. So he was just hounding on that dragonfly and then just swam right away. Didn't even bother to check out big frog that was swimming on the top of the water. Probably an easier meal. You don't gotta jump out of the water for it, you know? But can't control what the fish do. There's a couple of bass out here. They're all sitting out in the middle. You can pretty much see all the fish that are here. It's crazy. There's a little bass following him, but I don't think he's big enough to eat either. It's crazy just how many fish you can see in this pond. When it's hot and muggy like this, they just sit on the top of the water. I just had one swim right over to it. Oh, he's on it right now. Oh my God, did he eat it? Yeah, he ate it. Yep, yep. Yes. We got him. Yep. Yep, it works. Let's go, man. Let's go. Caught a fish on this dumb looking frog. It worked. God, he was going after that like crazy. Good man. Awesome. There he is. Fish on a little frog there. It's a solid little guy there. Absolutely chased this frog. I'm just kind of using a reaction strike technique, just twitching it really when they're following it. And you know, if one goes after it, usually another fish will. They have that crowd mentality. If they think it's food, they're gonna say, oh, this might be a good meal. I gotta get this before my friend gets it, you know? And that's pretty much what happened there. For what it was, that was a good day of fishing. We completed our one and only goal, catch a fish on that stupid looking frog, and it ended up working pretty well. I had a lot of fish chasing it. It just not the best day for fishing. Pretty hot out, middle of the day, but we still were successful in catching a fish, which is very good. And yeah, it was fun using that. Something I don't really do is try out stupid baits like that, but ended up working. So if you enjoyed the video, drop a like. I'll see you in the next one.